Going out to the country. All right, check this out. It wasn't windy for like 2 seconds, and then I started the video and it started. Do you see these? They are ready to burn out. See? See? We're being stalked by chickens underneath that truck. Do you see them? Creeps. What? Don't move. Maybe they won't notice us. They won't. Oh, crap. See, what that is the dog water. And the chickens come over and use the dog water. That Spot, the head chicken, literally the top of the pecking order. Is it good water? It is. Babysitter's here. You're saying, what in the world is all of that cocaine? Who can afford this much cocaine? It's borax. Borax. I can go into the details. I'm almost afraid to tell you because then people might get freaked out. But what it actually does is, goodness, softens the shells so they die. That's actually what happens. It's pretty gross, but it works really well. It's pretty gross, but it works really well. Totally organic. It's just dug out of a mine. Not harmful to me or to my chickens. I need to ask you a favor. Social media allows you and others to see our content if you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Otherwise, it just gets ignored. So I heartfeltly thank you.